Chocolate? Chocolate. With so many positive attributes, it's no surprise that one of the first questions people have when considering an animal-friendly lifestyle is, wait a minute, can vegans eat chocolate? The answer is an emphatic yes! It's just a matter of following a few easy rules. Chocolates, by the way, are overrated as Valentine's Day presents. Don't know what to get your plant-based partner as a gift to show them how much you care? Here are some of the greatest vegan Valentine's Day presents to impress your significant other. Hey there! Welcome to Vegan's Choice, a channel dedicated to assisting you in your vegan lifestyle journey. You name it, we discuss it. From vegan foods to the right habits, we got your back. In today's episode, we will talk about the best vegan Valentine's Day gift that is not chocolate. But before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Don't get us wrong, chocolate is great. But if you're looking for a present that will last longer than one night or goes beyond the standard Valentine's Day offerings, this video is for you. If you or your significant other is vegan, you might be wondering how to celebrate Valentine's Day in a vegan way. Thankfully, a vegan Valentine's Day is both possible and delicious. Grab your favorite drink and chill with us as we present to you plenty of vegan gift ideas. Some of these vegan gift ideas are appropriate for anybody, while others are designed expressly for her or for him. Don't be afraid to think outside the box for Valentine's Day when it comes to gift ideas. Remember, choosing the ideal vegan Valentine's Day gift doesn't have to be difficult. That's why we did some preliminary research by searching the internet for suggestions. So please, continue to watch and be inspired by these one-of-a-kind items we've discovered. So what are we waiting for? Let's start planning the best vegan Valentine's Day gift now. Let's start with wine, which is a classic Valentine's Day present for everybody, except children of course, and is guaranteed to make any evening more romantic. Did you realize though that some alcohols are made with animal products? It may seem ludicrous, but it's true. I'm a vegan who likes wine. What should I do? We have the perfect option for you. Presenting the Barnivore. It's a vegan alcohol directory where you can look up whether or not a certain alcoholic beverage is vegan. The wonderful Wine Co's Grenache is the perfect option if you want a fruity, velvety, and organic wine. But if you prefer wine on the citrus and bright side, we're sure you'll enjoy the Tempo Vero Vermentino. For more vegan wine options, you can head over to Wink, a wine marketplace with an entire vegan wine selection. We'll move on to the next gift suggestion, candles. These are a classic gift for any occasion, but most candles contain beeswax. If that is true, then why are candles part of this list? That's because vegan-friendly candles produced from soy or vegan wax are becoming more popular, and they're the ideal vegan Valentine's Day gift for everyone. Candles make fantastic gifts for any occasion and are especially useful when you're stumped on what to get someone. They add flair and provide a relaxing atmosphere that is guaranteed to be appreciated. Candles can also help you imitate the aroma of your favorite place throughout the world. Because, while all of your senses play a role in creating emotional memories, none is more important than your sense of smell. Many vegan candles contain paraffin wax, which is technically vegan, yet harmful to people. As a result, vegan candles using hazardous paraffin wax are not recommended. Vegan subscription boxes are another terrific and unique way to express your love and care for your special someone this Valentine's Day. Subscription boxes are the best kind of gifts because they keep on giving. There is normally a monthly commitment, but you can prepay or cancel after the first month. You can make this one yourself, but if you don't want to deal with the hassle of selecting a personalized present, opt for a vegan subscription box. It's chock full of amusing surprises, from snacks to merchandise. Oh, you've never heard of them and have no idea where or how to find them? We've got you covered. Here are some vegan subscription boxes that are suitable for both men and women. The Vegan Cuts comes in first. There are 3 types of vegan subscription boxes available through this company. The Vegan Snack Box is the first. It comes once a month and contains 10 or more vegan treats. The Vegan Egg, Nut Pods, Hippies, and Upton's Naturals are some of the products that have previously been featured in their boxes. The Vegan Beauty Box is the next one. It also comes out once a month and contains at least 5 vegan cosmetics, most of which are full size, from skincare to bath and body items. Last but not least, the Vegan Makeup Box, which comes every 3 months and contains 4 full-size makeup products valued at least $70. Isn't that incredible? Surprisingly, the boxes start at only $18.50 a month. What a steal! If you're not sure what to get, the snack box is a good option. Snacks are enjoyed by everyone. The Nature Box is another fantastic option. If your Valentine is a foodie, this could be the ideal Valentine's Day present. It's a subscription service for snack boxes. It isn't completely vegan, but it is quite vegan friendly. By selecting the vegan option, you can narrow down the snack alternatives. Crunchy BBQ twists, chocolate animal cookies, pistachio power clusters, and Kung Pao pretzels are just a few of the vegan snack alternatives available. Nature Box offers a large range of vegan goodies as well as excellent customer service. You get a free 30-day membership, free shipping on orders over $25, and a refund if you don't like the snacks. Hello folks, we're already halfway through our video and we hope you've gained some valuable information from it so far. While we're here, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Back to the topic at hand. A romantic vegan getaway shouts Valentine's Day like nothing else. Who says Valentine's Day gifts have to be limited to flowers and chocolate? It can also be traveling to a beautiful spot with your loved one, kept as a memory. While traveling as a vegan can be difficult, there is an all-vegan resort in Northern California that is ideal for a vegan Valentine's Day. It's called the Stanford Inn by the Sea, also known as the Compassionate Resort. Doesn't it sound ideal? You can get a massage, attend a cooking lesson, practice yoga and meditation, and tour the gardens and scenery while you're there. The on-site restaurant is vegan, organic, and environmentally friendly. Everything is made in the US. If this is too far away from your home, we recommend exploring a nearby option. We're sure your town has plenty of hidden gems, especially for vegans like you. Just keep looking. Without jewelry, a vegan Valentine's Day gift guide for her would be incomplete. As a vegan, you begin to see some of the ways we can all make our lives more environmentally friendly. Using reusable water bottles and straws, for example, or adopting sustainable and ethical consumer practices. But it's also possible to combine the two. Introducing the animal jewelry. Vegan heart necklaces, farmed animal pendants, bracelets, and rings are among the recycled metal jewelry available from various local vegan accessory businesses. And you'll find the appropriate adornment for your sweetheart among them. But this line isn't only for the ladies. Several of them also have men's jewelry and gift selections as well. We're not going to limit you to just one option in the jewelry and accessories department. The pink and rose gold Votch is another great option. A vegan Votch is a timeless, classic piece that any fashion-savvy vegan would be delighted to own if you want to splurge on a piece of jewelry. The timepieces are cruelty-free and vegan since they use faux leather straps made from materials like cotton and polyester. The Votch is available in a variety of colors, but we think the pink and rose gold versions are especially suitable for Valentine's Day. To make a vegan partner feel loved and cared for, you don't always have to give them a gift. You can simply donate to a local shelter or an inspiring nonprofit. That will undoubtedly be appreciated by him or her. It takes a lot of effort to advocate for animals. It's emotional, taxing, and traumatic, whether it's people battling for the liberation of farmed animals in a culture where such work is often mocked or ridiculed, or people urgently attempting to find homes for cats and dogs in cities where there are simply too many animals. It is also not done for free. Shelters and nonprofits require financial assistance to carry out their missions. Donating in your partner's name is a thoughtful gesture that they will enjoy. Not everyone wants someone to buy them things, but almost everyone appreciates someone acting so generous and caring. Which among these gift options reminds you of your significant other? And that's a wrap. Once again, this is Vegan's Choice, leaving you with the message that along with careful research and an awareness of what constitutes a nutritious, diversified vegan diet, you can ensure your body receives all of the components it needs, and that our channel is here to assist you every step of the way. There is no need to say goodbye. We will see you next time.